Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. See? Never mind the plant in the background. It's a seasonal plant, like for instance a summer plant and a winter now. So it not take no farmer, not take no talk, no matter what. You know, see, somebody just low harvest to go and do a shadow. You know, see? Give thanks to all of the subscriber them. All those subscriber, new subscriber and things like that. And if you happen to be just passing through and book up on a video, if you like the contents, you don't know, press subscribe so that whenever a new video is being uploaded, you'll get a notification. More bless. See? Now, more pay a special attention to a certain sector of the subscription people them, subscriber them. You know, see? Yeah, see the Trinidadian them, enough respect. See? Thanks for the support and yeah, I love that. Keep it up. You know, see? I don't know. He's a serious man, you know. So keep the thing going. You know, see? Junior, big up yourself now, my family man. Straight up man, mad love Junior. See? All of the man them from the Muslim world, all of the man them from Rasta City, all of the man them keep the peace. See? And continue being an example to black youth. Say, you can't have love out of nothing same way. You know, see it, though, we don't have nothing, we still can't have love. See? Now, I'll answer some of the questions them. Now, some of the most asked questions them in regards to prison. And my experience, personally. Plus, I'll answer some in regards to Vybz Kartel and Ninja Man and some other, probably, yeah. It's going to be a general idea how them sort of man they live within the system. You know, see it. I kind of mess up with the posting today, so it might not be a long one. This is one I really just say maintain the flow and keep the thing going and updated and yeah, conveniently to the people that want me at work for, which is a subscriber. Them. You know, see it, yeah. So Junior, like you ask, you want to know how man like Vybz Kartel and Ninja Man and them man they live in a prison. Alright, so the thing now about them man there is like, you see, everybody really live at the same standard to a degree in terms of facilities, like we say. Seeing everything, like I mean here, descriptively how the toilet system work, like him have to shit in a cell to side of the man them. Yeah, put up him sheet, go behind him seat, sheet and do a shit in the corner, this one, there is a man them there over there, so cover up them nose, have tissue in them nose and wait. And him have to, other man do that with him too. So the thing, the difference for real, why that might not happen for other, it's like it might be in a single cell. See? Because usually, furthermore, yeah, I think it's, yeah, when celebrities are rich people, you know, in a prison, in a Jamaica, them usually, we're under the sentence block, and the sentence blocks, it's usually single house. That means single inmate to a cell. See? From my description, from my experience was on the remand block. See? No, sorry about that. But the first most asked question is what was I charged for and how long I was there. I was there for 18 months only. See? And I was, you know, charged with gun crimes, which the only witness to the crime, came to court at the end and said it was a case of mistaken identity. He never saw me. You know, see, under no pressure for myself coming in and no contact with the witness until court there. Resourceful witness as well. See? So, alright, but we'll get past that. See? Alright. Witnesses, inmates with certain, you know, substantial certain way, them house them run at the protection wing. You have a wing where them call protection wing as well. See? So you get them a single cell. See? Like from my experience, again through resource, because the man they can pay a ward or two more than what the government even pay them. See? So the man they end up with video, you know, them sell TV, DVD, all sort of little creature comforts. You get what I say? That makes their stay a bit more what people would have considered comfortable than the rest, but it's not really psychologically, because you got more. It's like you lost more than everybody else. So you understand me? I say, so for instance, it's mostly ghetto youth or a certain demography from Jamaica population is in the prison system. So most of these youth don't really have much where them last a road, like no car no out there ratting down for them. No new business where them could have start. No ideas no in them head where them could have out there apply and thing like that. Them just there wait for trial or sentencing or whatever. You get what I say? With the big man, the rich man, the man who have substance, like I say, him have a whole heap of thing going on in area, so it's more uncomfortable for him in the psychologically, regardless of the creature comforts that he can afford. You understand what I say? Though I've never been rich, me know from my perspective in the say, I mean, this must be how it feels, because again, as a poor man, you think about girls and the little things them that are available to you. It's mind, it bothers your mind. You get what I say? I hope it makes sense. See, so I can't say they are more comfortable or they're more comfortable than myself. See, however, they might be safer than regular prison, because I mentioned the protection wing. See, Ninja Man is a man I love, not really love them place there. I don't know about Vybz Kartel at the moment, but I know say Ninja Man love regularize himself amongst the population, amongst the normal population and thing. Yeah, for the most side, Ninja Man there in a normal regular population with remand man, just like the graphic scenery when me describing in the previous video them in regards to GP. Ninja Man in a crowd that told him, yeah, believe you me. Listen, Ninja Man, I heard, it's alleged that Ninja Man never took a bail offered to him at some point, because he was saying if his son wasn't going to get bail as well, he's not going to go to road. He's not going to take the offer for bail. You see it? And I'm not sure if the allegation was true, but that in itself gives Ninja Man a sort of a sort of status within the prison. You see it, where a level of respect, a higher level of respect. You get me? It's like, I don't know how you put it, like I don't know how to explain it further, but that give an added level of respect to Ninja Man for that. Plus his experience being in there, going and coming over the years, so he definitely know how to navigate and make himself what I call it now, cause it takes less for him to adjust. Then put it that way, it would have taken less than him for him to adjust, given the fact that he has done it time and time and thing like that. You see, the next thing about Jamaica now, or not even just Jamaica, but the prison system it's basically a system set up for punish you to a degree by taking away certain social benefits and things like that from you, keeping you away from it and things like that. Now, a lot of these benefits are still available to these guys through, again, borders and things like that. It's not exposing anything. It's obvious. Not certain things can get inside of the prison without a warder. You see, if prisoner could have come around, come get certain things, you wouldn't hear any farmer complain about prison. I just saw it go straight. You see, so certain little things available to them. See, but the only thing we might not be readily available or can't be promised or put down to a certain time. I don't know nothing at all. I've never heard of any incidents where sexual encounters between a man and a woman or anything like that happen while I'm in a prison. Unless it's kept well, I never hear. Cause The closest I've ever seen a man come to a woman is when concert I keep and things like that. Because I think annually you have a prison concert or sometimes some entertainer from the road come perform and give one performance and things like that. You know, see, and them way there. I've never seen Ninja Man perform in there. Trust me. I can't remember if he has always gone when the concert I keep or, you know, I don't know if him always gonna get bail and go road or something, but I've never seen him on stage. Mr. Zebra and only part of little man on stage, but no. See, so I don't know if Vybz Kartel woulda or can do that, cause like me I tell you, it's again, it's not like as you can't get Ninja Man to perform in a prison and a DJ for people and things like that. No matter how much you want to do it and feel like you want to exercise and things, because it's not a case where you're in a positive. It's like showing that you're happy. Singing and dancing and things like that is showing that you're happy, you're comfortable with the scenario and things that your brain can't free. It's like every man is expecting the other man to be focused on getting out, going to road. You get what I say? So if that's, for instance, if you is a top DJ a road, it still don't give nobody no reason for expect say you should perform for him, show him anything like that. That's why the go-go thing come in. When Mr. Tommy Lee gone to prison, gone turn go-go because they are dance up. No disrespect, it's knowledge. He might watch the video and not do it again. Somebody else might watch the video and don't do it when them go in there. You know, see it, I just saw them thing they go. You know, see it. But overall, Vybz Kartel for the best. I would say, the most we can say is he's got protection. See, we don't have to worry about him getting hurt or anything like that unless the system is a government. You know me, I say like one of them big conspiracy there, which is it's not impossible, but he's not got. I don't think they have got that intent for him whatsoever. You get what I say? But remember, he can afford to actually pay water for focus on his security. See? You got warders who are ardent fans of Vybz Kartel as well. You got warders with musical aspirations and knows the Vybz Kartel is an avenue for that. You got warders with family with musical aspirations and things like that. Vybz Kartel might be reviewing and you know me I said producing, recruiting like Simon Cowell, thing like that. I get samples of people work every day for you know me I say, yeah, it might be even too busy to be concerned with certain aspects of prison liberty like food and things. Would have to pay somebody for focus on getting him some decent food, trust somebody for that. And you know me I say, you know, like who a cook and go collect it and thing like that because it's a space in between, it's a gap in between when you really want to trust no man with. You know, see it as a normal man. You know, see it, you have to can afford them level of loyalty there. See, again, like me I say, you know, you can, yeah, you know, yeah man, I'm gonna eat a piece of KFC every week, man. I'm gonna eat a burger to her. I mean, a McDonald's or whatever them thing that name. Where, yeah, you understand? Yeah. He might get, yeah, him not really saying, but it's just the same level of, it's probably more level of stress for the entertainer and the man them with resource, man them with funds and thing like that. You know, see, so my brethren them in a Trinidad and Tobago, yo, we notice that we have a strong connection, you know. When I watch a man them in a star, I say, yo, the money move, the money coming like it's the next parish. You know what I say? It's not like another island, bro. It come like it's a parish. You know, see it? Yeah, man. Jamaican them come over there, come hustle and eat some food. I love how to treat them. So continue, man. You know, see it? Continue. You know, time after time, the authorities them do for them little thing, because we know how them work fine, you know. You know, see it? But we know, we as ghetto youth, we know we have the same enemy them. You know, see it? So, I have to respect and love how the item treat what fellow Jamaican them when them come there, you know, see it, and I hope that I them feel as welcoming and as comfortable at Jamaica when you know go there see them way too. You know, see it. So mad love and respect, man. You know, see it. You don't know. Warieka shout out this from Eastern Kingston. See it? Mad love Jonah. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. All of the youth them in Trinidad. I don't want to call a specific crew name for the man say and I big up a particular crew because mad love me say I'm not do that not even in Jamaica. You know see? So I love the unity and I hope it's still up to date and I them keep it up same way. See? Respect.